Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you'll want to open up your settings and then navigate to General, and in here we're looking for Transfer or Reset iPad. Now I will mention that this does remove all the data from your device, so if you have anything here that you would like to preserve, if it's not already backed up to the iCloud, I would recommend you do so. And then if you obviously have backed it up, or maybe you don't want to, you can proceed. So we're going to select right here reset, and then we're going to select reset all settings. Oh, no, it's going to be the second option, erase all content and settings. There we go. We're going to select continue. Now before I do so, I'm going to quickly mention that right here I have a list of different things that will be reset. There is also some prerequisites that we will need to do, like select erase. Gonna skip backing it up. There we go. So this is the prerequisite. We do need to sign out of our Apple iCloud, so I'm gonna do that right now. Hopefully this is the password. It is. So as you can see, once you confirm the password, it will automatically reboot the device, continue resetting the data, and this will take, I presume, a couple minutes to finish up. I guess we'll see. And once it's finished, we'll be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the reset is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.